Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and today we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, dry patches around the eyes. I've been dealing with dry skin on my eyelids lately, and I thought I'd share what I've been using with you. We'll be exploring what causes this pesky issue, which oils can offer some relief, and even a simple DIY remedy you can whip up at home. So stick around as we tackle this delicate issue naturally and effectively. Let's start by understanding why the skin around our eyes is so sensitive. You see, the skin in this area is much thinner than the skin on the rest of our face. This delicacy makes it more susceptible to a variety of issues, including dryness. One significant reason for this dryness is the lack of oil glands around the eyes. Since there are fewer oil glands, the skin here doesn't produce as much sebum, which is the oil that keeps our skin moisturized and protected. Without this natural oil, the eye area is prone to becoming dry and irritated. Several factors can exacerbate this dryness. Hormonal changes can have a profound effect on our skin, including the delicate eye area. Weather is another big factor. Harsh winds and cold temperatures, or even too much sun, can strip away moisture. Constantly removing makeup can also take a toll, especially if you're using harsh products. Then there are allergies, which can cause us to rub our eyes frequently, further irritating the skin. Finally, over-cleansing with strong soaps or facial cleansers can strip away those limited oils, leaving the skin even more vulnerable to dryness. Now that we understand why the eye area is so sensitive, we can look into what we can do about it. We'll be back right after this short break to discuss which oils can offer some relief. Now that we understand why the skin around our eyes can get so dry, let's talk about some gentle restorative oils that can offer relief. First up is jojoba oil. This amazing oil closely mimics our skin's natural sebum, making it non-irritating and a fantastic moisturizer for the delicate eye area. It's lightweight, quick to absorb, and generally safe for all skin types. Next, we have rosehip seed oil. Rich in vitamins A and C, this oil is not just moisturizing, but also promotes skin cell renewal. It can help to reduce fine lines and rejuvenate the dry skin around your eyes. Wheat germ oil is another excellent choice. High in vitamin E, it works wonders in repairing and protecting the skin. A little bit of this nutrient-dense oil can go a long way in nourishing and shielding the fragile eye area from further damage. Finally, let's not forget castor oil. While it's thick and incredibly healing, it's best used sparingly around the eyes. A small amount can be very effective in soothing and repairing dry, irritated skin. In addition to these oils, calming herbs like chamomile and lavender essential oils can also be beneficial. However, it's crucial to use them sparingly and to dilute them properly to avoid irritation. These herbs can add a soothing effect, ensuring your eyes get the gentle care they deserve. I prefer not to use essential oils around my eyes, so I won't get any in my eyes. Alright, that's a brief rundown of some of the best oils to use for keeping the skin around your eyes healthy and hydrated. Remember to always be gentle when applying anything around your eyes, and do a patch test if you're trying a new oil for the first time. Up next, we'll be sharing a simple DIY remedy you can make at home using some of these oils and a few other natural ingredients. Stay tuned. Now let's get to the fun part, making your own Calm Nourish Eye Oil at home. This simple recipe uses a few key ingredients to help moisturize and soothe the delicate skin around your eyes. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, 1 teaspoon of rosehip seed oil, 1 teaspoon of wheat germ oil. You can substitute this with castor oil if you prefer. And for an optional touch, 1 drop of either chamomile or lavender essential oil to add some extra soothing properties. Again, I don't use them, but you can if you are very careful. Mixing these ingredients is super easy. Simply take a small clean glass bottle and combine the jojoba oil, rosehip seed oil, and wheat germ oil. If you've decided to use an essential oil, add just 1 drop. Secure the lid and shake the bottle gently to ensure all the oils are well combined. Now, how do you use it? It's best to apply this nourishing oil before bedtime. Just take a tiny amount on the tip of your finger and gently pat it around the eye area. Remember, a little goes a long way. Be careful not to get any oil in your eyes. With consistent use, you'll likely notice the skin around your eyes becoming more hydrated and less irritated. And that's it. The Calm Nourish Eye Oil is as simple as it is effective. Give it a try and let your eyes soak in the natural goodness. We'll be back in just a moment with some final thoughts. As we wrap up today's podcast, let's recap what we've covered. We started by understanding why the skin around our eyes is so sensitive and prone to dryness. We then explored some fantastic oils like jojoba, rose hip seed, wheat germ, and castor oil that can help keep this delicate area moisturized. We also shared a simple DIY recipe for Calm Nourish Eye Oil, combining these beneficial oils to help soothe and hydrate your eye area. If you're looking for the written recipe, you can find it in our newsletter tomorrow, which is Friday. If you would like the newsletter and podcast in one place, subscribe to my Substack. See show notes. Before we go, I want to let you know about the Radiant Renewal Journal. It's filled with tips and practices for deeper self-care and skin nourishment. It's a wonderful companion to help you on your journey to well-being. Thank you all for tuning in today. Remember to treat yourself and your skin with gentle care. This is Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy with Carrie Scharf. Until next time, take care and be well.